Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another, let's call it, quick tip video. For these days, most of the computers and laptops already came with an SSD or even an NVMe hard drive. But sometimes we need or either upgrade from an old mechanical hard drive to a much modern and fast SSD, or simple upgrade from a smaller SSD, for example, for a bigger one. And for a person like me, and I'm pretty sure like you, that always have dozens of programs, videos, photos, etc., it's really hard to simply install a new hard drive and just install all over again from scratch. So the best option is use a software to simply clone the entire hard drive that will do the hard work for you while you simply relax. And again, EaseUS is one of the best and simple to work in the market. And today I'm gonna show you a little bit about the tool and how to do a clone of your hard drive with EaseUS Disk Copy. So with this tool you can of course fast and easy make hard drive clones, but you can also migrate data between PCs and also do some hard drive backups. So between other specifications, one of the, let's call, special things about this software, it's the ability of cloning hard drives with bad sectors. Most of the cloning programs normally stop or crash if they found a bad sector on the source hard drive, and this EaseUS version skip that bad sector, allow you to complete the hard drive clone without interruption. And for me, I think this is a pretty important specification. So the software has a free trial that will allow you to clone, but with some limitations of gigabytes of course, and then there's some paid versions too of course. These are two of them, but you can consult them once you download the trial and open the program. We will see a lot more options, but if you think the amount of work that this software do for you with a simple clone, for example $19, for me it's a good investment. But enough of talking, let's click on download free trial and let's try this clone software. So after you download the software and open it, this is the main screen. There's no installation needed. I have the pro version because EaseUS was kindly enough to offer me a lifetime license, but your trial screen should look pretty similar or exactly the same. Let me just quick change the language to match the narration. So, and as you can see, the home screen, it's pretty simple. You have on the left side 3 or 4 options, nothing more. So you have the disk mode where you can see and clone your hard drives. So you have the system mode where you can change the target disk of your system. You have the partition mode if you want to clone just one partition of your disk. 4th option is a little tool that will allow you to create a bootable disk. And you have the batch mode where you can pretty much create your backups of your hard drives. And funny enough, I was thinking about upgrade this ASUS that I make a couple years ago here on the channel. It has a 128 gigabytes SSD, but I'm planning to install some programs, some retro games, so I need a bigger disk, and I have a 512 gigabytes SSD, so it's a perfect opportunity to test the tool and make a clone to upgrade the hard drive. So let's disassemble, remove the hard drive, connect it to another computer and make the clone. So as you can see, I already removed the hard drive from the computer, and I will use this SATA to USB converters, one for the 128 gigabytes and another to this new 512 gigabytes SSD. So let's connect both to another computer and start the clone. So once you connect the hard drives to your computer, you should see this little warning with this change detector. So just click on update and wait for the hard drives to be displayed on the screen. And after a couple seconds, as you can see, we now have 3 hard drives. The first one of course is the main system computer, and 2 is the both USB devices, as you can see right here, the 128 and the 512 gigabytes. To start cloning is simple as this. First select the source disk, in this case disk 1, 128 gigabytes. Next, to use that special feature that allow you to copy or skip bad sectors, you should activate this sector by sector copy right here on the bottom left. You could do the clone without it. It should be faster without this option, but I think it's always better tick this option. Hit next and then select the target disk, in this case the bigger one of 512 GB. After you're sure that you select the correct target and the correct source, you just hit next once again. You will see one last time both source and target disks, just to be sure that you're using the correct disks, so you can select proceed and then continue. Now you just have to wait. Obviously, the time that the clone could take will be always different from me, to you and to another person. It depends on USBs, how fast the hard drive are, how much data you have, etc. In my case, it took around 50 minutes. You will see this sector by sector copy completed. Please shut down and then remove the source disk or target disk warning. In my case, I don't want to shut down the computer, so I just hit cancel and we will see the resume of the clone. After that you can finish and then eject both USB disks and transfer to the EaseUS laptop. And after a quick installation in the EaseUS laptop, as you can see, and as we expected, the laptop booted perfectly without any problems. I don't have many programs or personal data yet on this computer, but the point here is, as you can see, it copied all the things I have, all the software without any problems, and it worked like it should do, and now with the new 512 hard drive. So, and as you can see, with just a couple of steps you can clone your hard drive without any problems. And in the line of the other EaseUS products, this is very simple to work. Let's say super simple. You don't need to be a technician or a computer nerd to operate this software. It's really simple, so download it and give it a try. The link is in the description below. And as always with EaseUS, if you have any doubt or need any help, you have the chat right here on the website, but of course you can leave your questions on the comments or just email me. I will help the best I can. And as always, thanks for watching, and I hope I can see you in the next one.